There are countless ways to set up your Digi-Tool dashboard to best suit your needs. The dashboard consists of slides which can be organized and grouped however you like. One way you might like to set up your dashboard could be to have a group for each of your classes. Within these groups, you could then have individual slides for Monday through Friday, giving you much-needed consistency every week. Alternatively, if your weekly routine isn't always the same, you may prefer to have a group for each class and divide your slides into areas such as morning routine, maths, science, or spelling to keep yourself organized based on learning area. Another setup option could be to create groups for each day of the week instead. You could then allocate your slides for individual areas, perhaps morning routine, literacy, or skip counting practice. A fourth possibility could be to have groups for individual learning areas and slides for specific topics within that area. A maths group, for example, might have slides for counting, place value, or multiplication. A maximum of 4 groups can be created and up to 10 slides per group, meaning there is room for up to 40 slides and endless setup options available on your dashboard. Test it out and find which works best for you. A morning routine slide is a great way to start. Display the calendar, clock, your daily schedule, and the well-being check-in to settle into the start of each day smoothly. A math slide that could be used for multiple lessons might include our handy MAB tool, great for teaching base 10, place value, addition, or subtraction. Display the MAB board in combination with the flashcards to generate numbers at random for students to build.